have several deviled egg recipes on the site. Check out the one with bacon. But this one is based on the classic Italian heritage muffuletta sandwich, which hails from New Orleans. That is a combination of salamis and cheese and usually a very garlicky olive salad. You're gonna make that olive salad from scratch to keep it low FODMAP. The recipe details all. And so we also have information on how to shop for cured meat. Not all salamis are low FODMAP, but you should be able to find some. So we make hard-boiled eggs, we mash up the center, and then we have different kinds of salami, provolone cheese. We have that olive salad I mentioned that also has capers in it. It's tangy. All together, this is a deviled egg recipe unlike any you've ever tasted.